So if the Google bar on your home screen becomes annoying, here's how to remove it from most of the Android phones, and the screen of your device will look just as you want it. And watch it till the end, because in the end I'll give you a very good tip. So first of all, and this method will work on the most of Android phones, locate any empty space on your home screen, hold your finger there, and in this opened up menu, locate your Google bar. Now hold it and drag it to the remove icon. Now press save, and you're done. Basically, it's removed, and that's what we wanted. Easy as that. However, on some phones, this may not work because there will be no option of removing Google bar, for example, on Pixels. So here's a way out. First of all, you may try to open up your settings, locate your apps, press Manage Apps, and here simply locate your Google. Right here is your Google. If there is an option for stop it or clear data, so do that. This may help you. If that still doesn't work, make sure to locate your Play Store and there install Nova or Apex Launcher. These launchers help you to adjust your home screen just to your taste. They're very flexible and they're a very deep level of customization, so try them out. And this may work even on Pixels. I've tried it out myself, it really works. And basically that is it. This process is very easy, and it takes only like a couple minutes or even seconds in my case. And now we can set up our dream home screen just as we want it to be. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.